the total of the frequency. Then you also come to the cumulative frequency and also solve for the. But you have to know that when it comes to cumulative frequency, you have to know that the frequency is equal to the first cumulative frequency, and also the last cumulative frequency is equal to the total frequency. And then you do not have any total for cumulative frequency, or else you go say. So the formula for the median is LM. That's the lower class bound of median class. N over 2 minus CF before over F times H, and H is the class width. So if you want to find the lower boundary of the median class, you have to first find the position. So you find the median position, which is N over 2. Then the total is 55 over the 2. Then what you get is 27.5. So you are looking for the 27.5 position. Is like that. So when you come, 27.5 is not in 10. It's not in 25, but it is in 42. So you check. You come and find it at the variable column. That is 71 minus 71
2.
75. When you get this is in a median class. You have to. This is in limits.
Limits.
So you have to also change to
boundaries.
Then the boundary is plus 5, and this is the lower limit, and this is the upper limit. So now you come in, you find your LM, and the LM here, since we are dealing with boundary, you come back to when you change it to boundary, then you pick the lower boundary, which is 70.5. You write it down. We all know that the total that we had from the frequency was 55. Then C before is when you check the cumulative, where the position is there, the cumulative before the actual position, which is 25. You write down 25. Then the frequency is the frequency of the cumulative frequency. Then when you check it is 17. You write down the 17. But when it comes to the class width, there are two ways you can go about it. You either use the limit or you use the boundary. When it has to do with the limit is always the upper limits minus the lower limits plus 1. Or you go with the upper boundary and then the lower boundary. That one, there is no plus 1 or anything. You leave it like that. So I went for the boundary to make it easier, which is 75.5 minus 70.5, which will give you 5. Since you have all your figures, you fix it in it. So where we had the LM, you put in the 70.5 plus the 55, which is the total, minus your cumulative frequency before over the frequency, times the width. Before you start solving, you have to know that you always have to tackle the brackets first. And even when you're tackling the brackets first, you have to tackle the upper one first.
Good.
Even with the upper one, you have to tackle the left side.
Oh, you're a professor.
So when you take it, so I tackled the brackets first. I went with the upper one, which gave me 27.5. Then I dealt with everything here. So after you get 25.5 over the 17, you know that it's in brackets and multiplication. So please do not come and do this and this, like tackle this.
Good.
Then your answer you get, don't omit the decimal from the place because it will change the whole position of the thing. Your answer will be wrong. So I had 0.735 plus the 70.5, and I left it like this, and my answer was 71.25.